minute, the consumer gets extremely involved and leaves the consumer the fun-loving spirit of Cuervo, which is what it's all about.
And of course, everyone loves talking on the phone, so the opportunity to be on the phone in a club is obviously very exciting for most people.
And also getting put on a tattoo for one of us is also really cool.
Everybody loves tequila, so pretty much everyone buys. Also, it's quite a big novelty with the phone booth. You know, it's much more interactive than